In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import pictures into Apple Photos using your iPhone. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless system to keep all your cherished memories stored and organized efficiently. Let's start with one of the most convenient methods, utilizing iCloud Photos. If you haven't turned on this feature yet, head over to your iPhone settings, tap on your name at the top, then find iCloud in the list. Under iCloud, you'll see Photos, tap on it, and make sure the iCloud Photos toggle is switched to the ON position. What this does is enable iCloud Photos to automatically upload and synchronize all your photos and videos across every Apple device linked to your iCloud account. So as soon as you take a new photo or video on your iPhone, it will appear on your iPad, Mac, or any other Apple device you own without you having to lift a finger. Now let's move on to another way you can import photos to open up more options beyond iCloud. Perhaps you receive a picture via messages and want to ensure it's safely stored in your Photos app. Well, you can easily save photos that are shared with you this way. Simply tap on the photo you wish to save. You'll notice some options pop up on your screen, select Save Photo, and it will instantly be added to your photo library. This is a fantastic option for those special snapshots or shared moments that you've received. This process works across any iMessage photo you've been sent, ensuring all your desired images make it into your Apple Photos. These methods are incredibly useful for keeping your photos organized and easily accessible. With iCloud Photos, not only is it convenient to have universal access to your images, but it also helps safeguard your memories by storing them securely on iCloud. Meanwhile, using the Save Photo option while navigating through messages makes adding individual images to your library straightforward and quick. Hopefully these tips provide you with a better understanding of how to manage your images in Apple Photos using your iPhone. Whether you're using iCloud to effortlessly sync and store pictures, or simply saving individual photos received via messages, you now have the knowledge to keep your photo library updated and well organized. Make sure to apply these methods and explore how much smoother your photo management can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy maintaining those precious memories effortlessly.